Yeah, I'm Memphis 10, I do this shit again. You can catch me in the kitchen, whipping up some chickens. What the fuck you mean, sell them bitches by the gram? What the fuck you mean, yeah, my nigga be go ham. What the fuck, man? I don't do shit wrong. But the next time I have your girl, she gon' be my favorite song. She gon' play this song, wear her hair long, while she give me head next to your home. Give a fuck, bitch. Yeah, I'm high, nigga. One thing about me, nigga, I'm quick to pull the trigger. You don't wanna see me. Young Reese, came from Memphis 10, disturbing the peace. Yeah, that's right, nigga. I got about 3 nieces. I fuck your ass, take your hoe like flock of geeses. I don't give a fuck. Yeah, them bitches call me pieces. So when it gets on the pieces, they gon' remember Reese's. The fuck you mean? Yeah, I'm high, nigga. I don't give a fuck. Nah, I never did. But I've been in this game, and I'm not gonna change. Ain't no need to explain for this game. I've been in here, yeah, I smoke weed, and that's my seed, but bitches, I go and greed. Last dying niggas up this dying breed. So my GEDs, put your hands up. Put some on my cup, like Trey Songz, yup. I don't give a fuck, bitch, you got yuck mouth. I represent the South, that's my last thing. Shout out JOJ for doing their damn thing. You doing it for shit.